Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Plants vs. Zombies Garden Warfare on Xbox 360. First, make sure your console is properly set up and connected to the internet for updates and online play. Then, simply insert the game disc into your Xbox 360. Once the disc is read, navigate to the game icon on your dashboard and select it to launch. It's a straightforward process to jump into the action and start defending your garden. Plants vs. Zombies Garden Warfare offers several exciting game modes. Gardens and Graveyards is a large-scale objective-based mode where teams capture points. Team Vanquish is a classic team deathmatch, aiming to defeat the opposing side. For cooperative fun, Garden Ops lets up to 4 players defend a garden against waves of computer-controlled zombies. Each mode provides a unique experience, catering to different playstyles and preferences. The game features a diverse roster of characters, split into 4 plant and 4 zombie classes. Each class, such as the pea shooter or foot soldier, has its own primary weapon and 3 unique abilities. For example, the sunflower can heal allies, while the engineer can build turrets. Understanding and utilizing these specific abilities is crucial for effective teamwork and achieving victory in any game mode. To excel in Plants vs. Zombies Garden Warfare, teamwork is paramount. Coordinate with your allies to capture objectives or revive fallen teammates. Always use your character's abilities at opportune moments. A well-timed heal or defensive shield can turn the tide. Don't be afraid to try out all the different plant and zombie classes to discover which ones best suit your playstyle and contribute most to your team's success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.